When Amanda was born, it became very clear very early that she had very good coordination for her major motor skills.
I think I never felt like I measured up to other kids, and so when I really fell in love with jiu-jitsu, that was kind of what really got me into wanting to do this.
I didn't know a lot about mixed martial arts until a few years ago. I was a bit surprised when she came to me and said, "I want to do this." I said, "Well, okay, you do what you love."
It's very exciting to think that I could do something for myself and not what he could do for me or anything like that.